still curious about nature fiction with turtles, we will try again. Turtles with nature theme versus some variation. First, partly clever glitter. We will try Yasmin in this theme. Also, oh yeah, and with Tang Aurora, and then Darkstar. All of use magic physical attack. Let's see. Okay, Artemis down. Chaba. Interesting. Okay, very nice. And then, how about the rest, huh? Our Dark Star. And oh yeah, 10 time better. Is it good or not? Best nature before between video before 10 and 0. Perfect result versus Fart Luther Cleaver. And next we will try JJI, our Dark Star, and then oh yeah. I think you can use Jabba if you haven't Aurora. Wow, perfect, amazing. Okay, let's see the numbers. Oh yeah, Dark Star, 10 times better. And next we will try versus Siblings and Tristan. 10 and 0 again. Wow, amazing. Okay, next versus Kayla, Siblings. And oh yeah, Siblings, Cleaver, Tristan, and oh yeah. Doctor Healer. Oh, 3 versus 3. Nice. Ow, I done description. Time out. Oh no. Oh, keep it. See the numbers. 10 times better. And X versus Dutch Yasmin. 2 and 8. Oh. And versus Dutch Yasmin. 3 change Dodge. Aura. Wow, Yasmin. I like this team. Dutch and Trick exchange at NG team. Okay, numbers 0 and 10, I think. 10 time battle. Ah, 1 and 9. NX Dutch Iris. Easy, I think, because Darkstar is counter from Iris. But let's see. Nah, because turtles jump in the beginning, give them energies. Not good versus this team. 10 time better. Zero and 10. Okay, last versus Asteroid Tempus. Keisha, Cascade, and Aiden. Wow, solid defense, really solid. I like this team for defense. Keisha and what numbers? 10 times. Skip to turn on. Come on. 2 and 8, not good. Versus Asteroid. 0 and 10 versus Iris Dodge. 1 and 9 versus Dodge Treaty Change. 2 and 8 versus Siblings. Perfect result versus JJI. Perfect again versus Fart. And the last say this is team. The others land we use nature. Glasses. See you in the next video. Heroes.